to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a collective haul. This is kind of what I've been picking up from the charity shops in the last couple of weeks / a month or so. I haven't done too many shopping trips. I've kind of just gone as and when, and I've picked up some pieces along the way, so I thought I'd share with you what I got. Now, some of this stuff I have already worn, so I'm going to try and remember the prices as much as I can, but apologies if I don't get everything spot on. But without further ado, let's get into the haul. One of the first things I picked up was from Haven's Hospice. To be honest, I think most of this is from Haven's. It was £2 and it's just this little crop top. Now, I thought this would be perfect with my brown trousers, and that's actually how I have been styling this. I love kind of the brown and kind of cream colour of this. I think it's super neutral and wearable. It's a super thin material, which is good because it means it's not super hot in the weather that we're in at the moment, which is, it's just boiling, guys. But this with my brown trousers looks super cute. I'm wearing it actually to volunteering, and it's a really good comfy top. I really like it. It's lightweight. It is originally from Shein, which you know we don't like here. However, it does fit okay, and I will get a lot of wear out of this. And yeah, as I said, I got it from Haven's Hospice for £2 in their Basildon store, and I just thought it was really cute. The arms look really, really low, but I think it's just where it's really high neck. It fits really lovely, and I really like this top a lot. So here is the little crop top. I think this is so cute with these brown trousers. I think it's something about an outfit that's all kind of monochrome, all in the same colour family, that just makes me really happy. It makes me feel really like I've put an outfit together, when in reality it's literally just two pieces. But I feel like there's something about matching something so well that makes my heart so happy. I feel like with this, I'd wear kind of cream or brown accessories. I feel like in the winter, I would chuck on kind of my brown leather jacket, although the thought of wearing a leather jacket now makes me actually want to cry. I think this is so cute. You can dress this up or dress this down, I think. I think the top is by itself quite casual, but I also think that the fact it goes together so nicely makes it look a little bit more dressy. I don't know, I love this so much. It's really comfortable. I must admit, the high neck is not my fave in terms of it being hot. I'm feeling a little bit claustrophobic. I tend to find a lot of clothes very claustrophobic, and this, I feel like I wore volunteering, I was fine. But I was doing lots of work that day, and it did make me quite sweaty. But obviously there's no sleeves. Also, the only other issue is I hate tops that go like this to in, because then my bra straps are constantly on show, and I'm not one to really care about that normally. But I do think that it looks so much better when my bra straps are covered. But also, like, I need to get one of them clips that go in the back of your bra, that make it clip together. Anyway, besides the point, I think it's really cute. It is a little bit see-through, but it's from Shein, so what did I expect? But yeah, I think it's really cute, and I like this outfit a lot. The next thing I picked up is also from Haven's. Again, it is £2, and it is this top. Now, I took a bit of a gamble on this one because I wanted it to fit really tight, kind of like it looks a bit like a corset top. I hope you guys can understand what I mean, but just where the stitching is, it gave me like kind of corsety vibes, and I was hoping that it would pay off on. However, because there was no zip or anything to get into it, I was a bit hesitant, thinking it's not going to be that super tight because it has no stretch in it really, so it wouldn't be able to be that kind of slim, really, really thick, like tight corset style because it doesn't stretch. However, it does look really cute, but it's not, I think where it is slightly baggy, I wouldn't wear this super dressy unless I did get it taken in, or just kind of, yeah, I don't know. I really like this, and in principle, I love it, but on it's just slightly baggy. Now, I do think I could tie this at the back and kind of cinch it in tight enough so it would work. But yes, I picked up this top. It was £2, so I was happy to take a gamble on it. It is any size, let's see what it says. I don't think, oh, it says size 18. So to be fair, it was meant to be a bit baggy because I'm more of a 16. But here we are, I did try it and I do really like it, but it just wasn't the perfect thing for the event I had in mind. But here we are, it's still really cute. So here is the pink top. This does give me major princess vibes. I don't know what it is. I think it's the satin, the pink, the kind of fit of it in general. As I said, I have kind of tied this and then kind of tucked it in the back just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like slightly more tight. I hope you guys can kind of understand the vibe I was going for here, because I feel like it was a bit of a wild card purchase. But I had an idea in my head of what it would look like if it was really slim and really tight, and I just think it would look so cute. However, I'm not sure if it's giving that. I feel like I'm really umming and ahhing with this. On one hand, I love it. It's one of them tops I'm like, do I love this or do I hate it? Like, I think I love it, but I feel like I love the idea of it. I feel like if this was skin tight, kind of showed these corset lines off a little bit more, I'd love it. The way it's wearing at the moment, I am a bit like, it does just look like I'm wearing like a really old person top. Unsure. I really, really want to love it. I feel like I'm going to keep it and try and style it. Obviously, I haven't really been leaving the house where it's been too hot, but I've been working in that, so I feel like it's not been the time to wear it. I would like to style this and see if I can get away with it. Next thing I picked up, I believe, was Haven's Hospice for £2. It might have been Cancer Research for £2. I can't be 100% sure, but I have a feeling it was Haven's. And it is just this kind of cream knit top. Again, I liked the kind of lines down this because it gave me kind of corset-y vibes, and I really liked that. I like how the stitching kind of comes out as well. I really like it's something a bit different. It's a size large, and to be fair, I brought it because it's so hot at the moment, and I only have like 1 or 2 white vest tops or like plain tops, and I've been wearing them so much at the moment. I wanted another one. As I said, this is kind of a knitted material, but it still is super thin, so you could get away with this on a hot day. It's originally by the brand Linear. I've not heard of that before, and it's in a size large. Now I thought this was really cute, and I just like a little bit different. I also like where it's more of a cream rather than a white. I could get away with wearing this brown kind of tones as well, and kind of pulling the all creamy browny. I love that kind of colour combination, so I thought this was quite cute, so I picked this up. It was only cheap, and I thought this is practical for the summer days because it's so hot. I absolutely love this top. There's something about these little lines, stitches, that just make it look so much cooler than just a normal vest top. There's something about it, the material as well I like. It is low cut enough. I find quite often if they're like a little bit higher, I don't find them super flattering, but I do think this is really flattering. I must admit, I'm not sure how I feel with the brown trousers. I feel like everything is a little bit too tight. I feel like although these are baggier, I feel like they're quite tight around my hips and kind of my stomach. I feel like maybe it's not the best look, but I feel like this with jeans. I wanted to pair them with these trousers because I wanted to see how the colours went together, and I do think they go together really cute. But yeah, I love this. I think this is so cute. As I said, it's just something a bit extra on just your plain white vest top, and I feel like these are sort of quirky things you do tend to find in a charity shop, whether it's having a little bit of lace on them, a little button, a little stitches. Like I feel like you quite often get a vest top with a twist, and a lot of them I hate, but this one I really like, and I think this is really cute. It also gives me that kind of trend that was going around a couple of years ago where they did have kind of these exposed stitches and that kind of patchwork style top. This gives me a bit of that, but not being so intense that I feel like it's super trend led that it would be out of style. But this is timeless, although it does feel a little bit trendy with these lines going down. I don't feel like that would stop me from wearing this in a couple of years time if that wasn't necessarily the trend, which to be honest I'm not even sure if it's a trend now. I'm so out of trends. But yes, I think this is really cute and I really like it. The next thing I picked up was from Haven's. It was £6, so I got it from their South Woodham store. If you are watching from there, oh my gosh, so we had that, I can't remember what the lady's name is, I don't actually think we asked, but I was trying on lots and lots of size 16 stuff, because that's my size, and my mum kind of joked with her like, oh, if you have any more size 16 stuff at the back, let us know. And she literally came out with like handfuls of size 16 clothes, like put them on a separate rack and was like, just go through them, see what you like, which was really, really lovely of her. But I ended up picking up just this dress, and I thought this was really cute. So it's a River Island dress, and I actually think, you know, I'm going to put a picture on screen here. I've got a yellow dress with kind of flowers on, and I have a feeling that's River Island too, and I think it is the exact same dress, just in a different colour. And I love this dress purely for the fact it kind of hangs from your boobs downwards and just floats completely out. Nothing is touching my stomach. It's really good if you're feeling bloated. I love red, as you guys know, and I just thought this is so, so, so cute. Great for the summer days we're in at the moment where it's really, really hot. And yeah, I just really like it. I like the interesting neckline. It would be awful for tan lines though, so don't wear this if you're sitting outside. But with a strapless bra, this looks so, so cute, and I literally can't wait to wear this. I tried it on. Actually, my mum picked it up and kind of showed me from across the store, and I was like, no, I don't want a cami top, because I feel like the cami style, I don't know, it's just not my thing anymore. But a cami dress, yes, love this. I love the interesting neckline. My mum also actually thought it went like that, which kind of does make sense. But no, this is the front, and I just think it's really cute, and I like the interesting neckline, so I picked that up. And I say it was £6 because it wasn't from the everything £2 Havens, but still really, really cute, and I really like that one. So here is the River Island dress. I absolutely love this. It's so, so cute. Again, perfect if you've got a sunburn or anything you don't kind of want a material sticking to you on a hot day, for instance. I just love this. I think it's gorgeous. There's something about a baggy kind of dress that just hangs that I absolutely love now. I think when I was younger, I definitely shied away from these style dresses, thought it made me look bigger than I was, but I actually just love it now. There's something about just hanging, feeling free. I feel like this is great if you've got a stomachache, you're feeling a little bit bloated, or even on them days where you really can't bother to put together an outfit but still want to look put together. Something like this is perfect. If you're not feeling 100%, this is great. I love it. I think the style of this is really pretty. I absolutely love the crossover on the neckline. I think if it didn't have this, it wouldn't be the best, just because I feel like it needs something to kind of elevate it, and I definitely think this kind of crossover neckline really does. Obviously the only issue is you have to wear a strapless bra with this, just because otherwise bra strap's going to be on show. I mean, you don't have to do it all, actually, that's a complete lie. You could not. I feel like I actually probably would wear this with my very cute like red lacy bras, and then just have my bra straps on show because they'd look cute. But I love this. I feel like you can pair this with gold jewellery, and yeah, there's something about this shape that I love, and I definitely shied away from it in the past. I think always thinking I was a little bit bigger, I felt like this was going to kind of accentuate that and make me look bigger than I was, but in reality I actually think it does the opposite. I think it really makes you look put together, look nice, and you're not kind of showing off your stomach, your bum, your legs, whatever you're insecure about. This dress kind of hides in the best way, and I just love it. Last but not least, I have this gorgeous coast top. So this was, again, from Havens. This is actually from the Benfleet store. It's, yeah, by the brand Coast. It's a size 14 and it was £7. Obviously, as it is a nicer brand, they did price it as so, which is absolutely fine. And it's just this gorgeous kind of white halter neck tie top. It has got a side zip. I'm not gonna lie, this is a size 14 and we can just about do the zip up. In fact, it doesn't actually zip up the whole entire way down, because as soon as it tries to start going over my hips, I just do not have enough room for that. But here we are. It's really, really cute, and I feel tucked into some jeans. I'm actually planning on wearing this today for an event, and I just think this is so cute. So I'm going to style this with jeans, and I'm also going to wear like my pink handbag. I've done like pink nails, and I've got my pink braid in, and I just think this would be the cutest little, probably like, I don't know, there's something about this fit gives me like 90s 2000s vibes. I don't know why it is just a halter neck. I really like the ruching along your stomach. I think that's really, really flattering. And to be honest, considering I'm quite a big chested gal, this does just about fit my boobs in, which is good. I must admit, I don't know if my boobs are sitting exactly where they're meant to sit when they're in this, but I really like it. And I thought for £7 for a like nice, really good quality top, that is really, really good. And as I say, I wanted to buy this specifically for this event I've got this afternoon, and I just thought it was so cute. I love kind of the vintagey vibe of this. I don't know, there's something about this that just gives me 90s, 2000s nostalgia. And I love how the neck bit is satin, because that won't kind of aggravate your neck. And yeah, it's just made really, really well, and I really like it. So I'm excited to show you guys what this looks like on. So here is the halter top. I have tried to get this on by myself, which is a little bit of a mission, so we aren't completely zipped up, but we are zipped up enough that you guys can see it. I think this is so cute. It's giving kind of swimming costume vibes in the best way, and I just think this is gorgeous. I feel like with the tan, it looks gorgeous. I did get my mum to give me a spray tan yesterday, and I don't know, I think with this outfit, it looks so cute. I literally love it. It's giving me major 90s, 2000s vibes. As I said, I do need to wiggle my boobs in and make sure they're actually secure when I go out in this. But yeah, I think this is so cute. I'm going to kind of have to adjust and potentially hike up a little bit more, but yeah, I think it's really cute and I really like it. So that's everything I picked up over the last couple of weeks in the charity shops. Be sure to subscribe if you do like charity shopping. I've got a whole charity shop thrift store playlist down below, so definitely go and check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.